had to tell her she should act right. She just wanna talk about the time we had last night.
The ribbon fuck your feelings. The way she suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon fuck.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The rats told me everything. Don't eat those.
I could hear you.
Gregory, you won't die.
Chica.
Baby, I'm that you wanna get crazy, crazy. Try to take it slow, then check it, check it.
Do they think? Pump it louder, come on, don't stop and keep it going, do it. Let's get it on, move it. Come on, baby, do it.
Type of bitch who don't give a fuck. Falling in love.
This is how to make a dragon blink. So I've got a black sheet of paper. You can make the eyelids whatever colour. And you put in a little hoop and you glue it on, so then it's stuck to your finger. And then the eye, you leave the bottom bit stayed. Well, you keep the bottom bit non-cut so that it doesn't fall off. But you like cut out the top bit of the eye. So then it's got like a little slit here, like there. So then when you put the dragon on, you have your finger out the top, like that. And you have the sheet of paper on your finger and you slide it up and down. Like that. And then from the front it's blinking. Sometimes if you have your finger stretched too far forward, you can see it on the top. So you need to have it like far back with your finger bent a little bit. It's depending on where your eye is and how big your paper is.
hi, my name is
Don't make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here. Just kidding. Lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave.
If you want me to listen, then get on your knees and beg! Yoai mo. Urusen da yo. Baka.
I wish I was a cat. No school, no works, just meow meow.
Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra!
Don't make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here. Listen close, follow my instructions. There is no time for introductions. He was the one that made us. You'll be the one to save us. Underground, welcome to the circus. Power down, are you feeling nervous? His voice means to deceive you. My voice just wants to lead you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So in my last video you guys wanted Little Dragon tutorial. So why not? Here is the dragon. First we need paper, scissors, glue, pencil, and tape. We need to fold little piece of paper like this and make a ring. Then glue it or tape it if you don't have a glue. Then draw a design that you are making. Turn it and color it with a pencil. You can check it on a light. You need to put the design on other paper like this and drag a pencil on it to make a copy, but just then cut it and glue it however you like. Glue, tape, or glue gun. Part 2.
ladies and gentlemen,
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All you girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Ooh. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
Tutorial how to make a hand dragon. What you will need: paper 2, something to cut with, glue, tape, pencil. Step 1. Fold the paper in half and cut it. Step 2. Fold both of the papers as I do and glue and tape them together. Step 3. Fold them in half and cut one shorter, it would be the mouth. Step 4. Place on paper and draw around it, then make it longer so that it can stick. Step 5. Cut and fold as I do. Step 6. Get the big ones and glue and tape them to the other part. Do the same on the small ones. Step 7. Tape them together and decorate. Voila!